Hey guys, it's Andre, ADM Garage Doors. Customer up in Dorado Hills called me and said that they had a broken spring. So I'm here now fixing it. Let me show you what we're repairing. See this broken spring right there? See the gap? So we're gonna go ahead with the one spring. You could see that the cables are loose. See the cables dangling down. So that's the disadvantage with that. You can see over here the spring is the cable's loose again. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this taken care of for the customer.
Spring it snapped and my day was done. Doors have been hanging all weird. Tried to lift it up, now my body's feeling fierce. One spring busted, the other one's tired. Guess my garage door's officially retired. The spring goes snapping, and now I'm stuck. With my